This is my tech gadget EDC update. As you know, skull candy, my favorite. These are skull crushers. The first skull field base headphones. Recently got this in the mail. First, you know I carry my Chromebook, my 2DS, my iPad mini. I got this. Do you know what this is? I'll let you take some guess. Alright, did you guess? The new wireless skull candy crushers. Wireless. So, which comes with a USB cord. Why did I say that? USB Type-C cord, charger, and aux cord. I went with this color because I thought I switched it up. New design and everything. I like it. These are $150 on Amazon. Got these in less than 3 days. I ordered it. Well, actually, I got it less than 2 days because I ordered it on Friday. Last Friday. Like 2 days ago. And I figured I'd just update my tech gadget EDC. And I am switching all this to. Let me go get it. My mom gave me this. It's just Brett Heaven. I think I said that right. Just computer bag. Had this for a while. Well, I'm going everything out there. All this into here. Don't know what else to talk about. But for my 2DS, I'm still going to be carrying these for my 2DS. Even though I do have an aux cord. I like those for my 2DS because I'm more familiar with those. I'm still learning the buttons on this. I actually have a mouse too. Cheap mouse. And this comes with a little travel bag, really high quality. Feels like a sleeping bag almost. Alright, bye.